Hey everyone, last time we created a repository, we cloned the repository, we created a branch, and committed, we created a commit and we pushed that commit to our newly created branch. In this video we will check out how to create a pull request. Or firstly, maybe what I forgot last time, how to switch between branches. Then we will create a pull request and merge this pull request. So how to switch between branches. If you say git status, now you see you are currently on the branch assignment 1. To list the branches, to list our local branches, of course we have the git branch -l command to list all the local branches. Now here we have assignment 1, it's green, and here's the star. That means that we are currently on the assignment 1 branch. And then there's another branch, the main branch. Of course, if you are in Windows, you can use dir to check out the files here. Those files are shown because we are on the assignment 1 branch. If we now switch back to the main branch with git checkout main, without you remember git checkout -b will -b and branch name will create a new branch, but if you skip the b, only use git checkout, you can switch between branches. So switch to the main branch, git checkout main, it says now you switch to the main branch. And now if we use the git status command again, you see here it says we are on a branch main. If you use dir, those files are gone. Why? Only readme is here. The content of readme we can also see with cat. It's just hello world, because this is on the main branch, and of course those things only exist on the assignment 1 branch. So let's switch to the assignment 1 branch again. There you see the files are back, and if we print the content, you see here is our changed content. So that's how to, with the git checkout command, you can switch between branches. Another nice feature is if you are done with the implementation and you said this implementation assignment 1 is ready, I want to merge this implementation now to the main branch, we can here and in pull requests create a new pull request. Here with this green button new pull request, we can say the base is the main branch and we want to compare it with the assignment 1 branch. That means take everything from assignment 1, compare it with the main branch, and if everything is alright, we can merge it. Okay, so base is main, compare with assignment 1, there we have one commit. Our commit is the prepared files for assignment 1. 3 files were changed. There's this DCC cache, what you can ignore, the main.java file, and there's the DCC cache. This one you can ignore. There's the main.java file. We added this here, and here's the README file. This was in the beginning. This was in the README file, and we added this here. Okay, everything looks fine. Then let's create a pull request. Here's a small description. Implemented assignment 1. We will implement everything for assignment 1. Here you can do a more detailed explanation what you really implemented here, and on your The next thing you have to do is also to add me as a reviewer. Here in reviews, you can, after you added me as a collaborator, here in the settings, in collaborators, you can add, yeah, I have to log in first, but here in the collaborators, you can add people to your repository. And one thing you have to do is also add me as a collaborator, and then you can add me here as a reviewer. If you described everything, added me as a reviewer, you can create a pull request by clicking create pull request. Now, here you see you have one pull request here. If you go to pull request again, here's one pull request, prepared files for assignment 1. Maybe this title should be a little bit better. Assignment 1. So let's change the title. Implemented everything for assignment 1 is the description. I should be here as a reviewer, and then I will add some comments on your code. And if you implemented the comments, I will add some comments, of course, to the code you have. Let's see, maybe I can do it on my own. Here are the commits. Here's one commit. Let's see. Okay. So the first assignment would be to not print hello world, but to print a name. And here with this plus, I can leave a comment. Print a name instead of just hello world. Start review note, add a single comment. And you can then, if you are here, if you also go to your, let's zoom out a little bit, go then back to the pull request again, you see here that I commented on this line, print name instead of just hello world. And you can reply here if needed, or implement the changes. Sorry, I just got some messages on my phone and was distracted. Hello, Raimund. It shouldn't be like that, but it's just a example how you should do it. So you should change implementation. You should change implementation. Then you see there is something modified again in assignment 1. Git add and git commit. Output name instead of just hello world. That was your change. If you are done, then you can git status, check if nothing is in the working tree. The working tree is green. Now you can push it again. This will take some time. Okay, you pushed it. Now there are 2 commits. Now there are 2 commits, and I will check again your commit. Okay, cool. You change this to this. I'm fine with that. Then I will let you know if everything is okay. And then after that, sorry, before that, you already said, okay, changes are in new commit. Comment. You can let me know what you did. and then you can resolve the conversation. Or I think I will resolve the conversation if everything is fine. And if you have no reviews here, if you have no comments here anymore, I will let you know with a comment. Everything is fine. Just merge. And then you can merge the pull request. After merged, the pull request is gone here. There's 0 open pull requests, 1 is closed. And if you go back to your code, you see in the main branch there are all those changes. Everything is in the main branch. Assignment 1 branch still exists, but all the changes that are in assignment 1 got merged to the main branch. Now don't forget to either remove the branches or get back to the main branch, and from the main branch for assignment 2 create a new branch. So every time if you're finished with one assignment, go back to your main branch, and from the main branch create a new assignment, and then start working on the new assignment. Okay, that was a small overview about how to switch between branches with the git checkout without p. Just check out, then you can switch between branches. In the pull request, you can create pull requests. As a pull request menu, you can create pull requests by clicking a new pull request. Here you have to choose the base should be every time main in our case, and here you can use a branch to compare by. Of course, there isn't anything to compare now because we merged it before, but the solution would be just create a pull request with the newly created branch and your implementation. I will add some comments. You have to change your implementation based on my comments, and then if everything is fine, you can merge it. See you next time.